The welsteepse non-stick fry pan, 7-inch, is like a small helper in your kitchen. It is black and has a non-stick surface. This means your food will not stick to the pan. Cooking becomes easier and cleaning is a breeze. You won't have to worry about tough, stuck-on food. This pan can be a real advantage for quick meals. This welsteepse non-stick fry pan, 7-inch, is 7 inches wide. This size is great for cooking for 1 or 2 people. It is also good for making small side dishes. The black color looks simple and fits in most kitchens. The non-stick coating acts like a smooth slide for your food. Eggs and pancakes will glide right off. This makes cooking more enjoyable and less of a surgery to flip delicate items if you are looking for a small and handy pan. The welsteepse non-stick fry pan, 7-inch, could be a good choice. It is easy to use and clean, and that saves you time and effort. While I don't have information about the seller or the UPC, the main point is its non-stick feature. It's a basic pan that aims to make cooking simpler. It might not handle induction cooktops, so check your stove type. For the money, it seems like a practical kitchen tool. Pros: simple to clean, heats evenly, versatile cooking, good for searing, great for frying, oven safe handle, durable carbon steel, induction ready. Base: cons: handle feels cheap, handle is wobbly, handle falls apart, food sticks easily, coating peels off, thin metal used, feels lightweight, poor build quality, doesn't heat evenly, has an after taste. Features: non-stick surface, 7-inch diameter, black color, carbon steel, even heat, lightweight, gas compatible, electric coil okay, oven safe, hand wash only. This welsteepse fry pan is small, with a size of 7 inches and a black color. It has a non-stick surface, so food will not stick to it. The pan is made of carbon steel, which helps heat spread evenly while cooking. It is also light, making it easy to handle. You can use this pan on gas stoves and electric coil stoves. It can even go in the oven. Remember to wash it by hand to keep it in good shape. This 7-inch welsteepse non-stick pan is black and made of durable carbon steel with an induction-ready base and an oven-safe handle. It is said to heat evenly and is good for searing and frying. Plus, it's easy to clean and versatile for different cooking tasks. However, some people found that the handle feels cheap and can be wobbly or even fall apart. Also, food might stick to the pan. The non-stick coating could peel off, and the thin metal used makes it feel light but of poor quality, possibly not heating evenly and leaving a bad taste in food.